One of the most important milestones that every crypto trader and enthusiast are looking forward is the BTC halving. Newsfeed already started the countdown for BTC halving. This video will give you simplest guide about what is BTC halving, just to give an idea what is crypto traders and enthusiasts are talking about. I would like to invite everyone to subscribe to the Trading Kids 2024 YouTube channel, your real life access in global market and macroeconomics. Traditionally, BTC miners are required to solve complex mathematical problems to validate transactions and create new blocks on the blockchain. Successful miners are rewarded with newly issued BTC for helping to secure the network. In simplest terms, a Bitcoin halving occurs when the block reward given to Bitcoin miners for processing and verifying transactions on the blockchain is reduced by half. This happens about every 4 years or every 210,000 blocks mined. The Bitcoin block reward will be reduced from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC as scheduled for this 2024. Up close and Bitcoin halving. For every block a miner adds to the blockchain, he or she is rewarded with a certain amount of newly created Bitcoin. Yet, there is also a finite number of Bitcoins that can ever be created. In order to extend the life of Bitcoin and ensure that it remains a deflationary asset, Satoshi Nakamoto wrote into Bitcoin Code that the supply of new BTC awarded to miners is halved every 210,000 blocks, or roughly every 4 years. For this reason, Bitcoin halvings serve as a major milestone in Bitcoin's timeline, dividing it into distinct periods. This is a pre-coded event that happened in the Bitcoin protocol every 210,000 blocks, roughly every 4 years. It reduces the reward miners receive for validating blockchain transactions. This process is designed to control the issuance of new Bitcoins and maintain its scarcity, thus ensuring a limited BTC supply. Essentially, the halving cuts the BTC reward given to miners in half. In the original Bitcoin white paper published by pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, it was specified that there would be a finite supply of 21 million Bitcoins. This fixed supply mechanism was introduced to prevent inflation and mimic the scarcity of precious metals like gold. By regulating the rate at which new Bitcoins are generated, the protocol aimed to create a deflationary currency with the potential to hold its value or appreciates over time. So this is a Bitcoin halving event scheduled from 2012 to 2036. Black height at the halving, black reward before and after halving. In 2012, the first halving event occurred, which caused the black reward to decrease to 25 BTC. The reward was further decreased to 12.5 and 6.25 bitcoins during the following halving in 2016 and 2020. The next Bitcoin halving will occur in April 2024 when the black height reaches 840,000 and will decrease the black reward to 3.12 BTC. Further, next halving will take place again in the year 2028 and the final halving will occur in 2140. When is the next Bitcoin halving in 2024. The next Bitcoin halving is expected to take place in April 2024. It is difficult to predict the exact date as it depends on the block height. Since halving happens every 210,000 blocks, the next Bitcoin halving is expected to occur in April 2024 when the block height reaches 840,000. There is a news spreading online, but this is not confirmed. Bitcoin halving will take place on April 18, 2024. Why are the halving occurring less than every 4 years? The Bitcoin mining algorithm is set with a target of finding new blocks once every 10 minutes. Some blocks takes more than 10 minutes, some takes less. This can decrease or increase the amount of time it takes to reach the next halving goal. For example, if blocks consecutively average 9.66 minutes to mine, it would take about 1,400 days to mine the 210,000 blocks required. 4 years is 1,461 days, including 1 day for a leap year. So, what happened to Bitcoin after halving? After each Bitcoin halving, the value of Bitcoin tends to increase. Historically, every halving event has triggered a bull run for Bitcoin. Here's why. Number one, reduced supply. The halving process reduces the reward miners receive for validating blockchain transactions. This reduction in supply causes demand to rise, which in turn drives up the price of Bitcoin. Number two, scarcity. By cutting the BTC rewards given to miners in half, the halving reinforces Bitcoin's scarcity. This scarcity creates demand, supporting the price. Number three, inflation control. The halving controls the issuance of new Bitcoins, maintaining a limited supply. It ensures that only a finite number of Bitcoins, 21 million, will ever exist, preventing inflations and mimicking the scarcity of precious metals like gold. Number four, market volatility. Halving events often lead to increased speculations and market volatility in the cryptocurrency space. Traders and investors closely monitor these events, anticipating price movement. So during first halving November 28, 2012, on the day of the halving, the price of Bitcoin was approximately $12. 6 months later, around May 28, 2013, the price had risen significantly to about $130, showcasing a substantial increase. Second halving July 9, 2016, the price of Bitcoin was around $660 on the day of the halving. Around January 9, 2017, the price increased to about $900, indicating a considerable growth in value over 6 months. Third halving was May 11, 2020. Bitcoin's price was approximately $8,600 on the day of the halving, and it rose to over $15,700 6 months later, around November 11, 2020. So in simplest terms, the value of Bitcoins increases after each halving. By history, Bitcoin has experienced a bull run every time there has been a halving event. As economic rule applies, when supply decreases, demand increases, and the price goes up. BTC Throwback 2020. In 2020, did you know that Clark Scalper and I traded BTC? More than 3 months after third halving, we incurred a loss of $5. After third halving, the BTC price was around $8,600. Today, February 13, 2024, BTC hits $50,000 level for the first time since December 2021.